Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for the 16th of April. And first of all, national news. India called up Iran and Israel to appeal against escalating tension. Army Chief General Pandey begin a visit to Uzbekistan. Country pushed towards black money. PM on scrapping of electoral bonds scheme. Need to safeguard judiciary, retired judges, right to Chief Justice. PM Modi in Kerala, whatever development country has witnessed in last 10 years in just a trailer. Amit Shah addressed election rally in Tripura, outlines development initiative of Modi government. Supreme Court seek ED response on Kejriwal arrest, set earliest date for hearing only from April 29. International news. Singapore PM Lee to hand over power to successor Wong on May 15. Biden told to Netanyahu US would not take part in Israeli counter-strike against Iran. Expect India to play role in bringing stability in West Asia. Israeli envoy Naor Gillow said. Biden administration agrees to provide $6.4 billion to Samsung for making computer chips in Texas. Sports news. Social media play works Sumit Nagal got UK visa appointment to play in Wimbledon. Sumit Nagal achieved career high rankings of 80. Rohan Bopanna lost number 1 spot in doubles. At 50, senior bureaucrat won national powerlifting medals, broke records. 15-year-old Tanvi Sharma hopes to emulate PV Sindhu's aggression in Uber Cup. Indian team left for a Special Olympics South Asia football tourney in Dhaka. Business related news. Tesla to lay off more than 10% of its staff. Ambuja Cements to acquire My Home Group's grinding unit in Tamil Nadu. Wholesale inflation inches up marginally to 0.53% in March. TCS shared slip after advancing over 1% on March quarter results. Banks to see moderation in NIM in quarter 4 on tight liquidity condition. And that's all in news. Thank you.